So this is one of my Synergy Media logos. I think this one was chosen by Bradley and Steve. And this is another one of my Synergy Media logos. I don't think this one was chosen by Bradley or Steve. This is the canopy. Logo simplified. Big. This is the canopy logo again. Simplified. This is the canopy logo again. Originally, this came from one of the Hectic Life templates. Yeah. Lahore Chandigarh. This picture was put on display at the Redbridge College exhibition back in July 2014. Yes. Oh. And these two were part of a project that took place in Romford Arcade Remade, a joint project with Redbridge College and Haven College. Yes. This happened in July 2014, where I edited it in Photoshop. Yeah. With 2 pictures and got a paint bucket and just painting it in Photoshop. This I did hue saturation in Photoshop. Yeah. As you can see, these were enrichment trip vouchers. Yeah. And this is the original template. And this is what it was originally, I think. Yeah. Yeah, this is another voucher. And here's another. So here's one of my Soldier Man posters, World War One Soldier Man 5 poster in Adobe Illustrator. Originally, I think I edited this. This came from Fireworks. Yeah, Mac Media Fireworks. Yes, of course, the Synergy Media logos came from Adobe Fireworks. That's why I edited it in Haven College, in Adobe Fireworks. This I edited in Adobe Illustrator. Yes, a picture that I took off the internet and put in Adobe Illustrator and then put the text on top. Yes. That's that I had to use. And the elements that I had to use here are at the bottom for this one. And here are the enrichment vouchers. Yeah. So here's the painting. That's what it was originally, as you can see. Yeah. So you can see all the elements that I used. Yeah. Here are some of those Met Girls. Different pictures that I have. This was final, and Yeah, this one was also a final as well. And the final design was this one and this one. These were developmental designs, sewing it upside down. Even my Menengar designs, this was made back in 2014. Yeah, the Lahore Chandigarh was also made in July 2014. I probably won't really mention that. Yeah. And maybe more. Yeah, so there's more, but don't have much to show. Okay. I don't have a lot of time to show you because it's like late. Okay.